It's gone, baby. You don't gotta worry about it no more, okay? Little mama. You can't kill the birds or the airplane. Straight goon. She ready for whatever. She's really mad.
What is you mad at?
The birds chirping. The birds was like, chirp, chirp, chirp. She was like, she got mad. I guess they too close to the window. You calm down, big baby. Little mama. You okay, big baby? Huh? You okay, darling? I love you. I love you, Mommy. Give me a kiss. Give me sugars. No, stop being so mean. Little mama, give me some sugars. Give me sugar. Give me sugar. Give me sugars.